Yeah.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our little campsite, Diwali campsite at the base of Alang in our background. Cover some solid distance today, starting at the base of Ratangat, climbing up with the clouds beautifully moving over Ratangat Fort, coming down towards the plains again, the Deccan Plateau at the top of the Alang, the Sandan Valley, where we had some yummy breakfast, packed up some food for the night, and then went completely around, following the Deccan Ridge along Kulan, Madan, till the base of Alan, from where we came down. From here we'll be heading further towards the lake again, the main valley, from where Mithun will be leaving me, unfortunately, and I'll be heading up to Kirda and Kalsubai, the highest peak in Maharashtra. Join me sometimes for a nice hike in the beautiful Sahyadris. Over and out.